Hi, my old friend. Good evening to all of you again. Hope you all good and stay healthy. And thanking you to all of you again for watching my previous videos. And one thing, please like and share and subscribe my video if you benefited from my analysis too and learn from my analysis too. And if anyone wants to join my course, they can also join my course. Today I am going to analyze on two stocks for short term, and these two stocks are ITC and Bandhan Bank. And let's start. This is the first chart of the ITC. You will see this is the ITC chart. You will see this is the long-term uptrend is happened. This is the two long-term uptrend line which I draw. This long-term uptrend line when is violated and then falls from 350 levels to 142 levels, and this trend line is a support. Get from this trend line, this line this is get the support. You'll see this is the long-term trend line support is there. And this is the downtrend line. And it's break these levels at around 207 levels and then fall and to take again as this in this downtrend line support and then again rise. So 142 from 142 levels, the ITC is taking support and try to start the upward direction and uptrend. You will see this is the higher top, higher bottom formation creating and then fall and again rising and again a higher top is, if you see, this is the low and this is the high and this is the higher low and again it's create a higher high. So higher top, higher bottom formation is create. This is the two bottom. From this bottom is high and also is taking the support of this trend line. So it's a very good sign. It's also, you can see this is the bottom formation also, and this resistance levels also break and sustain above that levels with a good volume. This is another bit good volume is supporting this two bar. When is break this resistance levels, it's a very good sign. And you will see this is also a very good volume breakout is there. And weekly you will see this is the how it's work. It's a fall and then higher top, higher bottom formation creating at this moment, and this is a W formation is also creating. This is the short W formation, and now it's a big W formation creating in the ITC. And with you just see this is the volume. This is the volume which is created at this low from March 2020 to March 2020. The year you just see this is the volume from this volume and this volume. So smart money is accumulating this stock, and this is the hand change the stocks. This is the weekly volume is also you will see this is the very big volume is there, and creating with a good formation at this moment is a very significant, and maximum time this type of formation never fail, maybe fail, but the chances is probability or chance you can say is a very low. So at this moment 162 levels, and you will see these resistance levels. Maybe this resistance level 208 levels may test but not going to violate. And if and long term for the short term 208 levels is a very short term stop loss or is the or a accumulation area, and for the those who are try to hold this stock for the long term, they have to once make this stop loss for 164 levels. So ITC is looking good for the resistance levels of at this moment for short term 225 to 234 levels is the next resistance levels or next target you can say. Then if it cross and hold at this level, then 257 to 265 levels is the next levels, and then 300 levels. So creating at the support levels of trend line, long term terms, and creating a good formation, and this is the downtrend line also broke and sustained above that levels, and from there also is create a formation, and this formation is not maybe is a very significant. I am telling to all of you, and hopefully it is going to be bullish in near terms. So short term and long term I told to all of you. Very short term is 225 to 234, then 260 to 270 levels is the next. 260 to 264, 257 to 264 levels is the next resistance levels, and then 300 levels for the ITC for next couple of months target. And I told to all of you again, this I am making for this video for educational purpose, not I am giving any buyer sell signal. If anyone wants to trade on my video or on my analysis, please first your analysis with yourself with chart first, or or consult with your financial advisor before taking any position. Anyway, this is the ITC stock I show to all of you, and then another stock the same. You just see, I select these two stocks for you. This is the Bandhan Bank stock. And you see, after a prolonged fall, this is the daily chart of that. You just see this is the downtrend line, and again another sharp downtrend line is there. And Bandhan Bank also creating a W formation here at the bottom, and again violate this trend line, and then again take this support of this 250 levels, and again rise and get cross these resistance levels of 395 to 402 levels, and it's close and sustain above that levels in the daily chart. This is the daily chart of the and you will see this is another W formation is creating here, another short W formation also creating. So how much it's the accumulation you will see in this area. The volume also in a very good position, and you will see this is the weekly W formation also creating. The daily W formation and weekly W formation is also there at the bottom with a good volume. You just see the volume also increasing when this price pattern break the resistance levels break and create a price pattern. So it's at the bottom when this W formation creates. This is a significant with a good volume also a very significant area. So these two stocks is looking good for me for a short term. The 380 levels to 390 levels, 400 levels is a short term trader for getting the stop loss or accumulate from at these levels from within that levels. If it goes below that levels, please close your trade. And the next target will be 495 levels is the next target for the Bandhan Bank. And if when if 495 levels is crossed and hold, then this target will be 594. Another 100 points we can get. So 495 and 595 is the next two target for this for the Bandhan Bank at this moment. This is the daily chart you all see. How much Bandhan Bank is creating and the W formation. Hope you all been benefited from my analysis and learned from my analysis. These two stocks for short term and long term, you can say. Maybe it will be a long term chart. In near term, you can see this ITC and Bandhan Bank. The stocks looking good, very good for me in my eyes. And you say is also a rounding bottom type of formation also creating and its break. So target will be very high at this moment. So ITC and Bandhan Bank looking good to me. And please, if you benefited from my analysis, please like, share, and subscribe. If anyone wants to join my course, they can also join my course. If anyone wants to learn from me, and this video I am making for educational purpose, and please like, share, and subscribe my video. And thanking you to all of you, my guys. Thanking you to all of my friends.